I just want to take some time to just share how much I appreciate all the hardworking men and women that sacrifice their time with their friends and their family to really move our economy. The hardworking men and women that are drivers for night transportation, our other brands, and really any driver in our industry.
I want to start by wishing everybody a happy Driver Appreciation Week.
I appreciate each and every single one of you guys.
I enjoy the stories that they share from over the road and just the strong work ethic that they have. They're always willing to help out where needed.
Our drivers make every day interesting and unique, and we look forward to seeing every driver that comes into the office.
Just thank you guys for being vulnerable and open to those relationships for us.
Dependable, hardworking, and great to work with. Always professional, always stepping up when it counts.
What I enjoy most about night drivers is their work ethic and their positive attitudes.
Everybody has the same mindset when it comes to having a commitment towards service, safety, and excellence.
It's their dedication to professionalism and the way that they project that professionalism to our customers and to the general public.
On behalf of our customers, they really truly appreciate everything that you guys do out there on the road, delivering loads timely and safely.
Obviously, without them, we don't have a company, and we don't get to come to work every day and provide for our families just as they're doing for theirs.
If we didn't have them, we wouldn't be here.
Well, without our drivers, there is no us. And each one of you are fantastic.
You truly have the toughest job in our company.
Your dedication and the struggles that you overcome on the job every day, whether that's breakdowns or accounts that push out and shipper issues.
They look at the challenges and problems they face as opportunities for growth.
Your hard work and long hours and dedication often go unseen. We're truly grateful for your professionalism, sacrifice, and commitment to safety.
Drivers, I know sometimes it feels like you're in a thankless position. I want you to know that we appreciate you here at night. I appreciate you. My family appreciates you.
The truth is, drivers are the backbone of this country. They bring us everything from food to medical supplies, and without them, life as we know it simply could not function.
For refrigerator side, they help us provide the goods that's needed to get through the day.
Almost everything we eat, wear, or use has been on a truck at some point.
Our guys are doing a lot out there for the country. Every package and every trailer.
Not just part of the system, you are the system. The backbone of America's supply chain. While much of your work happens behind the scenes, in trucks rolling down highways and across back roads, your impact is felt in every community, every single day.
They're the unsung heroes of the highway, and we just appreciate all our drivers.
Without you, freight doesn't move. Customers don't get their deliveries, and half of us in the office would have to actually learn how to drive a big rig.
You're greatly respected and appreciated.
Resilient attitude also shows forth in our workforce culture because it does put our brand out there. It shows a lot about who we are as a people, as a culture, that we do get the job done. And that is why we are appreciative of you. We want to say thank you so much.
From Night Reno, thank you for all that you do.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, drivers from Fontana.
We say we love you guys, we appreciate you guys for all that you do.
We hope that you enjoy Driver Appreciation Week, and thank you, be safe.
Thank you.